Unborn students. In the last class, I gave you to do the questions in the lab, that is page number 90. Today, I will show you the program in the board. You just open your copy, open your notebooks if you're done, and check the either your answer is correct or not correct. So, in the page number 90, that is chapter number 4, link and framework HTMLs. The question number 1 is create two link web pages. The first page must have some questions and should be saved as quiz.html. That means you have to create the first page, that is main page, and when you create the page, you have to save the page by giving the file name quiz.html. This page should be linked to another page that has the answer to the question and should be saved as answer.html. That means you have to create two notepad, one notepad for quiz and one notepad for answers. The quiz notepad saved by giving the file name quiz.html, and the second notepad saved as answer.html. So if you look at the figure, so there are two web pages. One is quiz.html, other one is answer.html. So here you put some questions. Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, and here you put answer for 1, answer for 2, answer for 3, answer for, and so on. Okay. So when you click it here, when you open this page, here you get one link. The link is click for answer. If you click it here, you will get the answer of these particular questions, and here at the end of the answer script, answer page, you add one link, that is go back to question. These are two links. If you click it here, this page will open. Okay. If you click it here, then this page will open. So for that, we have to create two notepads. So the first notepad is about the quiz.html. Okay. So we start doc type HTML file. After that, head, then title. You can give any title here. The title of the page should be what? What? Question and answer. Okay. We have here question and then close title. After that, then close head. Head must be closed before the body. This is Okay. Then about the questions, at the top you have written quiz. So you can write here by giving H1 center, align center. Yes, H1 align center, not center only. Center is the value. H1 align equal to center, then close it. Write the text what you want to display in the top, then H1 close. After that, OL. What do you mean OL? OL means listing. There are three types of listing, two types of listing. One is called order list, other one is called unordered list. For order, we write 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. These are the order list. These are the value for use for the order list. Unordered, we use bullets, square, then circle, then this. Okay. Now write the text for written here. OL, LI is used for listing the item. Text is, first question is, who proposed that electrons are embedded in positive state? Embedded in a positive state. Then close L I. This is the first question. For second question, again listing it by giving Li. Question: what is the name given to the process? What is the name given to the process of change of gases? Of change of gases. Then close. This is our second question. For third questions, Li. Question third is, so here questions are complete. It is just complete the questions. After that, name the British chemist who provided the basic theory. The basic theory about. Complete the questions, then close. These are third questions. Number fourth one is Li. What is the fundamental unit of life? What is the fundamental unit of life? Then close. So there in the book there are 5 questions. I am giving only 4 questions. This is for question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and question 4. You see in the output you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the numbers. How many numbers? In OL there are many values. The value which the use with the OL are 1, 2, 3, 4. Small ABCD, capital ABCD, Roman number 1, 2, 3 small, Roman number capital 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. There are 5 values we use with the OL. So there is two attribute of OL tag. That is, one is type, other one is start. If you add here OL type equals to A, then you will get here A, B, C and D. This is a type. So what type of ordering you need, you have to specify it. If you not specify any type, then the default value is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if in the book it is not written about the type, so automatically it will come 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But if you change the numbers, the right type A, then come ABCD. If you use Roman numbers I, then here it comes 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this way we can change the type of numberings. Okay. After that you have, this is finished, then close. O is a control tag, so we must have to close it. Clear. After that, close OL. So yeah, our work is finished. So this one is left. So for that we have to link it. The link is, first tag is A href. What you write here? You can write here answer dot html. Here we write click for the answer and then enter close. So these tags will appear at the bottom of the web page. After that, close body, then close HTML. So create this web page. After creating this web page in the notepad, we have to save it. So when we save it, we have to give the file name quiz. So here written small q, so QUI, the quiz.html. Save it by giving quiz.html. Don't make spelling mistake, or it is a case sensitive. Clear? After that, this is our first notepad. So if you go for second notepad, after saving this file, next we have to create another web page for the answer. For the answers, from here to here, it will change it from here. Okay, now our first web page is finished. Let's go for second web page. So that is same thing up to here. Then here we write H1. If you have any heading here, ANSWER. So H1 align center, then write ANSWER, then close H1. Then come OL, type A, then start listing L1. The answers are given in your book. The answers are, for answer 1 you can write J.J. Thomas, close Li sublimation, and close Li, then John Dalton, close Li, then number 4 is set. You see, I am adding only 4 questions, so I am adding the 4 answer. But in book there are 5 questions and 5 answers. you can complete it by giving five questions and 5 answers. After that, our last at the bottom of the answer script you see go back to questions. So if you click it here, this page will open. If you click it here, this page will open. For this, we will also create one link. At the bottom, Ahref. Here you get the quiz.html. See, I'm using here small letter, quiz small letter. If you make capital letter, then that answer script or that questions web page will not appear. So Ahref quiz.html. Here you write the text. Go back to question. Then anchor close. Then body close. Then close HTML. So after creating the second node page, you have to save this by giving file name answer.html. So this is very important. If the file name are not saved, then two pages are not linked. After that, if you click it here, the answers page will open. If you click it here, the question page will open. This is our first program. Okay. So if you're done, then check answer. If you're not done, then copy it, write in your practical notebook. Thank you.